Ano pong credit card ang recommend nyo sa first timer sa credit card? Hi mga zizi, this is Rixie, and for today's video, sagutin natin kung anong beginner-friendly credit card ang recommend ko. So my number one beginner-friendly card reco is the Union Bank Rewards Credit Card, and here's why. Bigyan kita ng 5 dahilan. Number one, there's no annual fee for life if you spend 20,000 for 60 days upon approval. Number two, you can get points as a reward for every 30 pesos spent. So, yung mga makukuha mong points, pwede mo siyang ipalit sa rewards. Number three, pwede ang installment plan. At you can update it through the app. No need to call the bank for every 3K pesos single purchase. Number four, if you have CC naman sa ibang bank, more chances of higher credit limit as long as you're good payer. Based sa experience ko, grabe ang taas ng credit limit na binigay nila sa akin dito. At number five, easy approval as long as you provide the necessary requirements. So if you want to have one, you can apply through my link. Check the link in my bio and like and follow for more.